Hello everybody, welcome back to the Learn and Earn channel. Today I'm going to unbox a UWELL pod system called Caliburn AK3. This is a brand new one and it's a very fantastic device, having a very nice flavor, good battery life, and it's a good experience for those who like to quit smoking by a pod system. This is the specifications of the device. Battery 520 milliamperes, and in the package it contains one AK3 device and one meshed 1.0 Caliburn AK3 refillable pod, which is pre-installed on it, and one packaged 1.0 Caliburn AK3 refillable pod cartridge. It has a light animation on it, I'll show you, and the technology Profox flavor adjustment technology. It's very fantastic for those who know about the flavors of the other devices, and 15 minutes fast charging will refill the battery power. So let's open it. I've opened it once and filled it to make you a test. This is the device. This is the pre-installed, and user manual in a cute package, and also there is another cartridge in this box. As you see, these cartridges contain the coils inside, and you cannot open and change the coil. If your coil is done and finished, you need to put a new cartridge, A3. This is the lanyard. As you see, here is silicone. It's very smooth and nice, and you can use it as a hands-free while driving or working with computer, cell phone, and etc. And also I have got for you additional cartridge. These are also the same 1.0. These are original, you can see, and this is the instructions how to use it. It has two air leads. As you remember in my earlier video about KOKO Prime, it had one edge over there for air, but here it has two, if you see, and it doesn't matter how you put it on the device. Here it's a very nice, and this is the silver one. As you see, the color is totally luxury and very fantastic, and it's a kind of aluminum, and here a kind of a very high quality plastic polymer here, and it's very nice and shiny aluminum body, as you see. And here it has a very nice LED, as you see, and if I use it, it will shine and make colorful Caliburn logo here. As you see, same as the KOKO Prime, if it goes green, it means the battery is fully charged, and if it goes below half charge, and if it goes red, it's less than half. And as an experience, let me tell you that if you go less than blue color, try to recharge it, because you cannot get enough pleasure and flavor from using this pod system. Same as the other UWELL Caliburn devices, it has to have enough battery power to be used in a good condition. It has a 2 milliliter cartridge, and you can open it. It's much more reliable and applicable than the Caliburn G system, coil system, cartridge system, because you don't have anything here to break while putting on or taking out. And here is the silicone in red filling point, and as you see, you can fill it easily. And such as every time, remember that in the first use of each cartridge, fill it up to this line, and be sure that the cotton of the coil is covered enough by the salt nicotine to extend your coil's life. Otherwise, you can burn the coil cotton and the taste will be awful, and your salt here will go darker and darker till the time that you cannot use it. I will test it one more time to see. It has enough smoke or vapor, whatever you want to call it, to let you to quit the cigarette. Okay, buddies, this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Please let me know more about your experiences of this pod system or the other ones in the comments. And please, if you find the video helpful, you can share it to your family, buddies and friends, and motivate me to make more videos for you. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye for now.